Hi guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to look how we can install Python 3.6 on our Windows system. So first go to the browser and type Python 3.6.5 download. It will redirect you to Google page and click the first link on Google page. Now scroll down and find the Windows 64-bit executable installer. Click on that link and it will download the executable file for Python 3.6.5. After downloading, click on show in folder and run the Python executable file. It will take you to Python installation terminal. Now click on add Python 3.6 to path and click on install now. It will ask you for some permission, give all the permission and it will automatically install Python to your environments.